Hello all. I hope everybody are doing good. My name is Manikanta Redappa. So I've just now started my channel called as the Tech Barriers, the YouTube channel. So the objective of this channel is to just now ensure that okay, I would be now exploring the 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 technology called as Microsoft Excel, like how to use all the Excel functions manually, and also how we would be converting these Excel functions, manual functions into VBA programming in order to automate the repetitive task, okay, without manual intervention. So this particular the video uh, which I'm just walking walking through on this channel. So based upon my professional experience, so basically I'm a working professional, right? So this is for the beginners and also for the recently joined the professionals, okay, and also for the uh, experienced professions as well. So this for all the three set of groups, right? So but basically I would be starting from the beginners level and again moving on to intermediate and again at the expert level, right? So all the students, okay, all the students, I think who like who have just who want to have the passion like to scratch from the beginning, okay, with MS Excel, I think they can start start subscribing to this channel so that okay they'll get a better understanding on the on how to use the Excel functions, guys. So basically you so in order to try, talk about Microsoft Excel. So basically, this is like a basic, you know, a Microsoft application where each and every industry they use. Okay, it can be for the no, like it can be in operation industry and also the Excel will be used in IT industry as well. But as see, my professional experience comes like basically I started my journey in operations. So basically, when I work for many companies, okay, when it comes to operation opportunities, it is like mandate that okay we should be knowing all the Excel functions. All right. So that is one of the like thought process which just came into my mind. So that okay, because the experience what I carry in my professional experience has made me to just start start using this channel and start to creating this channel so that okay it will help not for all, at least for somebody, okay, who want to enhance the skills and learning, guys. Okay, so let's just to start up with a quick demo purpose. Okay, basically I just have a workbook here. All right. So this is my workbook called we just called as example one what I've taken, and I have a student's list of data here. So basically this sheet one, sheet two is nothing but your sheets in your now workbook, MS Excel workbook, and here if you look at these are nothing but your columns. Okay, which you'll see it like uh, vertically, and this horizontal nothing but your rows, okay, and these each and every thing are nothing but your cells, right? And if you want to talk about the ranges, say for example, assume that these are student names, okay, and if you select these, okay, this is nothing but your range, okay. Now in this particular demo purpose, this is a student database what I have. So if you look at the column A, I have now student name, okay, and column B I have the languages what students have scored in their academics, right? Now what I'll do is, so this is the data what I have. Now assume that for each and every student I want to calculate the sum of each and every language, okay. So what is the formula which you would be using, okay, and also the average of these three subjects and also the count, how many count of subjects what students are having, what the students are having from column A, right? So what we can do is, so this is like in a column A, and column B to D is the range what we have for subjects, and we would be calculating sum for this entire range. Now in order to calculate the sum, the basic, whenever you write an Excel basic function formula, you always start with equal to, right? Then you use the function, okay, or the formula. So now if you just give sum and try to click on tab, it will open up the bracket and click on this cell and the range. Okay, we have B2 to D2 and press enter. Okay, so we have got this some value here, and try to double click on this, you will get all the values here. In the similar way, if you look at average, okay, you calculate the same thing, okay, and if you will close it, average of B2 to D2 and enter, okay, and you just double click on this, you will get all the average value. In the similar way, count, you what you can do is equal to count and select this, you will get the count values. And in case you not to drag and drop, just click on the cell, when you just scroll your mouse here, you will see this plus symbol and double click on this, you will get all the count values. Now in order to do a testing, now we have arrived all the values. In order to do the testing, what we can do is, now for James Wacker, let's select this range. Okay, if you set this range, Excel itself, it will give you the values here automatically, average, count, and sum. Okay, this is something where Excel itself, it is already calculated. Okay, I know that, okay, Excel, if Excel is giving us the values, why is that? Okay, we want to write a formula, all right? But see, assume that, okay, you're working on, the use cases where you want to notify you, where your manager asks, okay, could you please just give me the total of your, students, right? So at that point of time, you cannot, for each and every student, you cannot go and set this range, and you can't keep on telling the values to him, right? So basically, you want to give him with a neat, clear set of data. So for those, we have used this formula. So in order to validate the testing, guys, if you just select this range, you see there is a 93 which has been come up. In a similar way, if you select this range, it is 33, right? And also, if you look at the average order, it has picked up the value and count. And count remains same for all the things, just because for all the students, the subjects what we have is 3, right? So this is the basic formulas, guys, just for the demo purpose what I've taken. So for sum, we would be using equal to sum of B2 is to D2. Like, this is to nothing but your shift colon is what you need to, semicolon is what you need to use, right? In a similar way, average and count, guys, right? So these are the basic, examples what I've taken for the demo purpose, guys. I hope everybody has liked this video. So there are a lot more, which is coming up on my upcoming videos. So we would be, exploring from the initial scratch, right? From the basics, we would be starting, and I will be ending at expert level. I hope everybody liked this video, guys. If you have liked this video, please do like this channel, subscribe to this channel to ensure that, okay, what are the new videos which I'm doing, okay, you will be notified, all the new videos which I'll be uploading in my channel. And please do like, and also please do share the video. Thanks a lot. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.